Not all your roofs are going to be your standard straight up and over gables. As an installer, you'll have to know how to do hip roofs, turrets, cones, and dormers. On a hip roof, there's two different ways you can do it. Refer to the SAM for actual application instructions. We recommend both water-resistant and waterproofing underlayment used on a hip roof. If you're applying winter guard to both the eaves and hips, install it along the eaves first, then lap the winter guard from the hip over the eave. Cones and turrets are labor-intensive, about 5 times the labor involved than a standard roof. The first thing you want to do is apply winter guard. It helps prevent leaks from the numerous joints required to install a turret. Then you snap chalk lines from the peak center point to the eave at intervals of a half tab. You'll have to gauge the size to ensure that the shingles lie flat and are uniform. And your shingle portions will get smaller as you reach the top. Refer to the SAM for L-shaped and dormer roofs. The transition from the main roof to the dormer should always look smooth and of course prevent leaks.